Most men don't even realize they're being friend-zoned until it's too late. They think they're making progress, but in reality, they're just a nice guy on standby, her emotional support system, her free therapist, or worse, her backup plan. And here's the brutal truth. If she's friend-zoning you, she's already decided that you're not the man she wants. Women rarely say, "Hey, I see you only as a friend." Instead, they show it in subtle ways, ways most men completely ignore. Why? Because deep down, many guys refuse to accept the truth. They hold on to hope, thinking, maybe if I stay patient, if I keep proving myself, if I treat her better than the other guys, she'll eventually see my worth. Numbers, she won't. A woman knows within minutes if she's attracted to you or if you're just another nice guy. And once you're placed in the friend zone, escaping it is nearly impossible. But here's the good news. There are warning signs. You don't have to waste months or years chasing a woman who has zero romantic interest in you. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to recognize when she's friend-zoning you, without saying it. You'll learn the 5 key signs that tell you, loud and clear, that you're wasting your time. If you notice even a few of these, you need to walk away. No exceptions. 1. She talks about other men freely. If she's constantly talking about other guys, her crush, her ex, or some hot guy she met at the gym, you're not on her radar romantically. Women don't bring up other men around guys they're truly interested in. Why? Because they don't want to ruin their chances. If she likes you, she'll focus on you. She'll be curious about your life, your thoughts, and what you find attractive in a woman. But if she's comfortable telling you about her romantic interests, she sees you as a safe zone, a non-threat. Now, some guys make a huge mistake here. They think, oh, she's opening up to me. That means she trusts me, and maybe she'll realize I'm better than these other guys. But no, if she's treating you like her personal diary, she's already decided you're not an option. Let's say you're texting her, and she suddenly says, "Ugh, I don't get why Jake hasn't texted me back. Do you think he's just not into me?" This is the moment where a lot of men go wrong. They try to be her good friend and give her advice, thinking it will make her see how amazing they are. But in reality, all it does is cement their place in the friend zone. A woman who's truly interested in you would never risk making you think she's chasing another man. If she's bringing up other guys, she's sending a message. Loud and clear, don't ignore it. 2. She gives you pet names. If she calls you bro, bestie, buddy, or worse, like a brother, it's over. Women don't give these names to men they're attracted to. These names are a verbal barrier, a way of saying, you're safe. You're not a romantic option. Here's the harsh truth. If she's into you, she'll want to keep the tension alive. She won't risk making you feel like family. Attraction thrives on mystery and excitement, not on labels that make you sound like her cousin. Some men hear bestie and think, she's just comfortable around me. Maybe if I keep showing her how great I am, she'll eventually like me back. Number. The moment she calls you bro, she has mentally locked you into the friend category. And once you're there, it's nearly impossible to escape. Let's say you're out with her, and she introduces you to her friends. "Hey guys, this is my best friend Alex. He's like a brother to me." If you hear those words, you don't need any more clues. You're done. She's just announced to the world that there's zero romantic possibility between you. A woman who's interested in you will be careful with her words. She won't risk making you feel like just a friend. If she's using pet names that kill attraction, it's because there's no attraction to begin with. 3. She only calls when she needs something. If she only reaches out when she needs a favor, congratulations. You're not a priority, you're a resource. You're the guy she calls when she needs a ride, help with something, or just someone to vent to. But when it comes to spending time with you just because, she's suddenly too busy. This is one of the most frustrating friend zone traps men fall into. You feel like you're getting closer to her because she keeps calling and texting. But in reality, she's just using you for convenience. If she truly liked you, she wouldn't only appear when she needed something, she'd want to be around you for no reason at all. You might find yourself in situations where she says things like, "OMG, can you fix this for me? Hey, I need a favor. Can you help? Ugh, I need someone to talk to. Can I call you?" At first, it feels good. You think, she trusts me. She depends on me. But take a step back. Does she ever put in the same effort for you? If the answer is no, then she's not seeing you as a man she desires. She's seeing you as a tool she can use. And here's the worst part. While you're doing favors, listening to her problems, and being her go-to guy, there's another man out there who doesn't lift a finger for her, yet he's the one she wants. If you're always available, always ready to help, and always on standby, she won't respect you. She'll see you as someone who will always be there, no matter how little she gives in return. That's not attraction. That's a one-sided deal. 4. She avoids physical contact. Men need to wake up. If a woman likes you, she will find an excuse to touch you. She'll playfully hit your arm, fix your collar, brush lint off your shirt, little things that create physical closeness. Women aren't afraid to break the touch barrier with a man they're attracted to. But if she's keeping her distance, if she never leans in, never playfully nudges you, never finds small excuses to touch you, that's a major red flag. Yet so many guys refuse to see it. They tell themselves, she's just shy. She's not touchy with anyone. She's taking it slow. Women are always aware of their body language. If she's avoiding contact, it's because she wants that distance. Think about it. Does she let other guys hug her, get close, or playfully tease her? But with you, she keeps her hands to herself? That's not an accident. That's a choice. And here's the harsh truth. Attraction isn't logical. It's not something she decides to give you over time. It's instant. If she liked you, she wouldn't be thinking about whether to touch you. It would just happen. So stop fooling yourself. Stop waiting for a sign that will never come. If she's keeping a physical gap between you, that's your answer. Respect yourself enough to stop chasing a woman who has already decided you're not the one. 5. She sets you up with other women. This is the ultimate slap in the face. If she's trying to set you up with her friends, her coworker, or any other woman, it means one thing. She sees you as completely non-threatening. She's not worried about losing you, not afraid of you dating someone else, and definitely not jealous. Yet so many men still don't get it. They sit there thinking, oh, she cares about my love life. Maybe she's just testing me. Maybe she's trying to see if I'm a high-value man. If she had any romantic interest in you, she wouldn't risk letting another woman take you. She wouldn't push you towards someone else. She'd be trying to keep you for herself. But let's be real. This one hurts the most because it makes your position clear. She's literally handing you off to another woman because, in her mind, you and she were never an option. And here's where a lot of guys mess up. They think, okay, if I date someone else, maybe she'll get jealous and realize she wants me. But that's wishful thinking. Most of the time, she'll just be happy for you and move on with her life, while you're stuck realizing you wasted all that time hoping for something that was never going to happen. Wake up. Women don't help men. They're attracted to find other women. If she truly liked you, she'd be subtly competing for your attention, not handing it off to someone else. So what's the move here? Simple. Stop playing the fool. Stop waiting for some magical moment where she wakes up and sees your value. If she's pushing you toward another woman, take the hint and walk away. You're not meant to be her sidekick. You're not supposed to be her nice, safe friend while she chases the men she actually wants. Respect yourself enough to leave when the signs are this obvious. Here's the cold, hard truth. If a woman wants you, you won't have to guess. You won't have to analyze her every move, decode her texts, or convince yourself that maybe one day she'll see your worth. If she's not showing real interest, she doesn't have real interest. It's that simple. And let's be brutally honest. Most men stay in the friend zone because they refuse to face reality. They tell themselves she's different, that if they wait long enough, if they're patient, if they just keep being the nice guy, something will change. But nothing changes. And while you're sitting there hoping, she's giving her attention, energy, and affection to another man, one who never had to earn it. Stop waiting. Stop hoping. Stop wasting your time on women who don't want you. The moment you recognize these signs, the best move you can make is to walk away. The only way to win this game is to stop playing it. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been friend-zoned? What's the worst experience you've had? Drop a comment below and I'll reach out. Let's talk about it.